Magandang umaga. This is Pinoy Tactical again. Today I'm going to show you my favorite rifle, or my favorite AR-15. I have a few of them. This is pretty much what I take to the range majority of the time. This is what I used to train with, and this is my home defense AR-15. That's a basically third level for home defense. I'm going to show you what it has. From basically tip of the barrel all the way to the back. Let's start at the muzzle brake. This is actually a Lantac Dragon muzzle brake, and then you'll see the weapons light. Uh, it's a Streamlight 1100 lumens weapons light that has a pressure plate on top. Backup side is a Magpul M bus, front and rear. The main side is an EOTech. It's an EOTech 512. The the handguard is made by Daniel Defense. This is actually a Daniel Defense DDM4 version 7 upper. Uh, the basically I used to have different types of vertical grips and angle 4 grips until I discovered the Spike Tactical, and I've pretty much changed all of them to a Spike Tactical, um, basically front grip, angle 4 grip. Moving back here, one of the things I don't like about Daniel Defense, but they said it saves a little bit of weight, is this door is made out of plastic. Uh, but my BCG is fail zero, nickel boron coated. Going back, I had basically just a store bought. I don't know what the brand is. Um, Extended mag release and KNS anti-walk pin to hold my basically trigger group in place. My trigger group is actually a drop-in. It's a Lantac trigger group made by CNC. Then I got the Novak, not Novak, I mean Novisky uh, safety Magpul K2 grip, and ACSS adjustable stock. I live in California, so as you can see, I have a juggernaut uh, lock, so that again, this thing you cannot press the mag release unless you have this open. On the other side, you can see that the lower is a inexpensive Anderson lower, but all it is basically a platform. Everything else on it is customized. So there she is. You can see the Daniel Defense's laser logo, DDM4V7 556. So again, this is my favorite rifle, my home defense, my training rifle. This is my highly used AR-15. Again, thank you very much. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Again, this is Pinoy Tactical. Maraming salamat and thank you.